Dear students, this is our 9th class. In this class, we discuss about thinking corner and progress check. Thinking corner. This first one, the number of possible solutions when solving system of linear equations in 3 variables are dash. Remember, the number of solutions is depending upon the number of variables. Here 3 variables are given, so the number of possible solutions when solving system of linear equation in 3 variables are 3. Second one, if 3 planes are parallel, then the number of possible points of intersection is R dash. Remember, whenever the word parallel comes, there is no intersection at all. There is no intersecting point. So, whatever it may be, any shape are parallel, there is no intersecting point at all between 2 parallel shapes. So, if I draw the parallel line, parallel planes, there is no intersection at all. So, if there is no intersection, there is no point of intersection also. So, the number of, if the 3 planes are parallel, then the number of possible points of intersection is 0. Now, let us discuss about the progress check. First one, for a system of linear equation in 3 variables, the minimum number of equations required to get a unique solution is dash. So, if 3 variables are given, already I told you, there are 3 solutions. To get 3 solutions, so the number of equations also 3. So, everything is 3 in linear equation in 3 variables. That is 3 variables, 3 equations and 3 solutions. So, that is why for a system of linear equation in 3 variables, the minimum number of equations required to get a unique solution is 3. Then second one, a system with a dash will reduce to identity. Already we discussed in the note, if we get 0 is equal to 0 while solving the equations, so it is an identity. So, the answer is 0 is equal to 0. A system with 0 is equal to 0 will reduce to identity. Likewise, a system with a dash will provide absurd equation. Absurd means false equation. So, this is also we discussed in the note already. So, that is when we get absurd equation, if you get 0 is equal to 1, it is an false equation. If you get false equation 0 is equal to 1, it is an absurd equation. So, with this part is over. Rest here. We shall continue next class. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my video, like, comment and share. Thank you.